Hello again, it's Noob, and if you've been over to my side channel, Side Noob, you'll have seen me take on a really probably improbable and impossible challenge, picking this intensely hard children's toy from manufacturers Melissa and Doug. So it's got so many awful sounds on it. Look. It's so big that I've had to move my camera out so you can see the edges of where I film. Anyway, and then, what's this awful one here? It's going to be terrible as well. Oh, and it's got keys, and I think that no, stop making the noises. It's got keys, and apparently you got to choose the right one because it fits in the keyway. It's got warding, and the keys look like they've got bitting on. And you open it like that, and then you just have the most horrendous things inside. It's awful. Anyway, go over to my side channel. You'll see me pick this, and I'll say pick it. Spoilers: the keys don't actually do anything. You can literally just turn these. It's really just shape finding, which was incredibly disappointing. I think I said on the video that I might try to replace these little locks with better cam locks. So that's what I've got. I'm going to make this into hopefully a little challenge, which I intend to pass around some lock pickers if I can. Got this bag of stuff. I'm trying to get into it. There we go. So the first cam lock I found is this one, which I thought was kind of cool. Look, flips open, and we have a little keyway type thing happening there. I'm worried about the handedness of this, but I suppose it can hopefully drop down enough. We'll see. There we go. So we've got that one. I might have to mount it in a way that makes sense. Then we've got, what else do we have? Got one of these, which I haven't opened, which kind of looks cool, but again, I'm worried about the depth of the lock actually interfering with the workings of the thing. So we'll just have to give these things a bit of a go and see how it works out. This one is very cool though. It's a little dimple lock, cam lock. I do have an even smaller one though, not by much, but a little. So maybe I could use this one instead. This is a little Arthur one. So I've got those. And it does have an escutcheon on it, which will pull it out from the front a little more. So yeah, I've got options. And I have a combination one covering the combination up. This, I'm thinking, actually, I could put a code in the first three, and then you'll be able to open this last one up if you get the three preceding locks. Clever, huh? Well, I think it's clever. And then I've got a little tubular one. There we go, look at that. Kind of cute, isn't it? A little tubular lock. Which yeah, could be fun as well, and that's only little. They've got these quite long cam pieces, so they should work out, right? So yeah, I guess what we need to do is start modifying this. I'm actually quite pleased with this. I didn't know whether to do like you do 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, or a countdown. But I kind of like the idea that you would count down to the first one. I didn't need to do too much in terms of making this less sloppy, because I put the numbers on the doll's feet. The fact there's a little bit of play in these doors, it doesn't make any difference, and it just means less work. So we've got the combination here, which is kind of cool. I actually glued the combination on the bottom as well, because I don't want to forget that. This wood, by the way, is really weak. I'm a bit worried about the hinges and stuff, but I mean, it won't get used too much, and it's only a bit of fun, isn't it? Then we got this lock, which is kind of cool, actually. Is it baton? It could be quite a hard lock to pick. There you go. Then we got this very cool, that's actually held in really tight as well. It's a really cool kind of like tri-bitted thing. And then over here we got, this is a bit sloppy, but again, I'm not too worried about that. Just a tubular lock. So what I'd really like to do is have a go trying to pick these. I should never do a challenge which I've not done myself, so let's see if I can do this one at a time, of course. Okay, first up, let's try this tubular lock. I actually need the goat wrench for this, so I'll pop that in. I think we'll be able to turn it by tensioning like that. So I'm just going to go around and see what I can pick. Hopefully it won't be too hard. I'm just going to keep going round and round. I might speed this pick up if it takes like forever, because tubular lock picks are really boring, aren't they? By and large. Or should I say picking tubular locks? Ah, that's one position. I think I might need to pick 2 positions to make this work, so bear with me. Then I'm going to have to turn it back. Oh, that's a pain. Oh, and I think we've got the open finally. Oh, that's a little longer than it took. Okay, so we've got that. We've got the code on the doll's foot there. So now I'm just going to lock it back up. Next up is this 3-axis lock. I mean, technically, I suppose you could, what do you call it? Rake it, but I'm going to try and see if I can SPP it. Seems like that axis is binding. And then the top. Try the side. Oh, and we have a little open this way. And oh, can we do it in one turn? That'd be amazing if we can. Yes, we've got an open. Perfect. Can we turn it back before it locks? Yes, we can. Ah, that's even better. That way I don't have to relock this one. So I think this dimple lock's going to be quite hard to pick, and probably quite hard to get on camera even if I do, so forgive me if it's not the best quality, but I'll try my best. So pin 1, 2, I think on 3, 4 now, 4, on 5, 5, back to 3 I think, and we're open. Look at that. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. So yeah, we would have got the code. Awesome. So there we go. I hope you thought that was a bit of fun. Yeah, I love little projects like this. It really makes me happy doing this kind of stuff. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like this little project. And yeah, I'll see you all next time.